Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika and if you're new to this channel then stick around and subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be a haul and I will be doing an Amazon haul for the very first time because I shopped a lot this time from Amazon as I am decorating my room. If you are following me on Instagram, you must have known that I am doing some stuff in my room and I bought some decor stuff for it and I will show you all of that in this video. And to see the final video how it looks in my room, then you please wait for the room transformation video which will be coming really soon, and I'm so excited for this. It's also my birthday month, so shopping is a must. So let's get started. I will be putting down all the links in the description box below, and you will also find all the products here on the screen. And do follow me on Instagram for pictures and everything. So for the first product, I have these very nice cushions. So everything I will be unboxing with you guys. I just saw the packaging if it's okay or not. So Amazon comes in like this packaging. If you have some hard material, then it comes in a box, but otherwise it's like this. So I ordered a bunch of cushions and pillow covers for my room, and these come in a set of 5. These are something like this. Oh my god, super pretty. The size of these are 16 into 16 inches, so it's very good for a particular like pillowcase. It's not too small, it's not too big, and this is in 5 pack of 5 multicolor 16 is to 16 pillow covers. And also this says that it is decorative sofa square cushion cover set, and it comes in 5 different designs, so you can choose from any. So I choose this one which has colorful unicorns and different animals on it. I will show you guys how it looks. Oh my god, the quality is so good. It's like a mixed material of jute. It's not thin at all, and it's very nice quality, and it comes with a zipper at the back, so it's easy to put on. This one is the unicorn. So pretty, pink color. This one is my favorite, the fox. So as you can see, these are multicolored and can be like used in different rooms. So if you have pillow covers which fits well in this, then it's a steal. It retails for 254 rupees. That is so less. That is like $4. So it's very cheap, and I think it's on a discount now. It's coming to 40 rupees right now, but really a steal for this price. Okay, for the second product, I have something related to makeup and skincare because I love it so much. It comes in this packaging and it's a pretty makeup organizer which I wanted for so long because all my lipstick are lying here or there and they tend to get break over the time. So I wanted something like this, and it's a clear, like a transparent organizer that you can keep on your vanity or anything. Wow, the quality of this product is so good. Actually very thick. I thought that this will come like a very I did not expect this good because it tends to break very fast, and it retailed for 273 rupees, which is very cheap for this. It has so many storage area here for lipsticks and nail paint. You can store your brushes and your compact and makeup here, and it will look so pretty on your what do you call it, a vanity, and I think I really like it. I will be using this, and please see my other video to see how I stored my stuff in this. I really like this. So for the next product I have something for the decor, and it looked so pretty on the internet. I thought I'll be getting this. I don't know what's the proper use of it, but it's super cute. And I got this deer lamp, what do you call it, it calls deer tree jewelry pack decorator and holder, and it retails for 299 rupees. So particularly this one comes in white color and black color. I got this in white color because it suits everything and will match each and everything in my room. So I think it's like this. You can join and you can keep it on your like almirah or anything, and you can put rings and your neck piece so that they are not folded, and your bracelets and lipsticks here. And it's pretty good. It's made of plastic, so it's not like it will break or anything, but yeah, it has many branches, so you can put a lot of stuff here. And this one is for 299. I think a little expensive for the quality, but I still like it very much. In white color it looks super pretty. So jumping on to the next product, I have one bed sheet with a pillow cover, which is very basic, and it retailed for 229 rupees. I got this because my mom gets all the bed sheets. I really like those, but I wanted to get something very cheap and like I can use on an but I wanted to get something cheap which I can use on an everyday basis, and I don't care if it gets dirty or something. So I got this in beige color because all my decor is dark brown and white. I thought this will match with everything. It retails for 329 rupees for a single bed sheet, like a single bed sheet with a pillow cover. And this is how it looks. So I don't know if you can see it. It has a little zigzag pattern here, and it's very basic and plain. And I will show you the picture of the bed, like what it was there on the Amazon. And I think it's pretty decent quality. This is not pure cotton. I think it's not pure cotton, but whatever it is, I will wash it and then use it, and I will show you guys how it looks. I will insert pictures for sure. So coming on to the next product, I don't know how useful it is, but it felt so pretty and cute on the internet that I bought it. I am just guilty of buying everything I see on the internet. This retails for 184 rupees, and it is a selfie torch. What do you call it? A selfie flash LED light, and it looks something like this. This is a light for your phone. You can click selfies and photos with it if there is dull light, and it comes with a charging port. So I like, the best thing about this is it is not battery operated. It is chargeable, so I can use it over a long period of time, and it comes in 3 different modes. So if you on it like this, it has low, then it has medium, and it has high beam, which is really good. Like for the price, it retails for 184 rupees, and it's so nice, and it fits every phone very perfectly. So I'll just take this and I will show you how. So you can apply it like this and then click photos, and it will come so good because there will be light in your photo, and if that is something missing, and also you can place it like this and click selfies. Really usable product, and it is pink in color. It comes, I think, in 5 different colors, so you can choose it from there. And I really like this one, really useful. So for the next product, I have really special here. This was not ordered by me, but my best friend gifted me prior to my birthday, and it was so needed. Actually, I was going to order this, but then she gifted me, and I totally love it. I don't know the price, but it's from Amazon, and it's really, really pretty. I'll show you. So these are photo frames of square sizes, and this comes in a pack of 4, like 2 blue and 2 of them are yellow in color. So pretty, and it says love limitless. I am in the selfie camera because of this, it's like backwards, but it says love limitless. Then we have some pattern here in yellow color. This is the blue one, and this says good vibes only. I totally love this. I will be putting this on my wall, and you'll guys see in the next video. It will just turn my room into a dream, and I wanted to put frames and colorful stuff, and she knows me so well. She got me this, and I totally love it. You can get these easily at very reasonable prices on Amazon, so do check that out. They have some amazing collection and a lot of designs to choose from. Okay, so for the next product, I have these very cute lights. This retailed me for like 299 rupees, but right now I can see the prices have gone up and it says 399 rupees. But it is a light festive, like a LED light, which is not battery operated. It is like a switch operated thing, and it has very tiny lights, like very tiny. It is called like fairy lights, I think. I am really disappointed with this product. The reason being, the size is very small, like the meter of the wire is very less. You cannot put like on a lot of stuff, and secondly, this is black in color, and this will show everywhere. If you try to put it somewhere up, then if you plug in, then this color will go on your walls, which I really don't like. I think they should have given a longer wire and then attached charging point, but it's okay. I will show you how it looks. And for the last product, I have a grill which retailed me for 445 rupees, which is super pretty. I got this grill and it's super pretty. It comes in, I think, 4 different shades. It comes in white, it comes in black, and pink and gold. So I got the pink color, and this is for 445. And it also comes with clips, little clips where you can put your stuff, and you can put your Polaroids or your pictures on your wall. I have seen using this grid by so many YouTubers and influencers that I wanted something like this to decorate my room, and it looks perfect. I've already hooked it up, so I will show you guys. This was the last item that I bought, and there is one more, but it did not reach to me yet. It's already been 2 weeks now. I don't know it will come or not, but this was it for today's video. I hope you like this, guys, and so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, all the links of these products are there in the description box below. If you are operating outside India, then you can also get all of these products on amazon.com. I ordered from amazon.in, but it's same. You'll just be there will be just a mild price difference, but Amazon's delivery is, they send products so quickly, like you order today and it will come tomorrow. So I love Amazon for their delivery. The quality may vary because there are different sellers, but again, for these prices, like everything is under 500 rupees, right? And for this price, I am getting all of this stuff, which is really great. So I would highly recommend you also shop from Amazon. And if you do anything like these, according to my recommendation, then do comment below and let me know. Until next time, bye.